This looks like my scalp. Does your bob move like this though? No.
Me, I know that you got it. I wanna talk to you. I ain't my too bossy. I wanna talk to you, yeah. See your body, looking like a goddess. I know a liar, baby you a goddess.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa Mapsy here, and today I'm back with another hair video. This hair tutorial, as you can see by the title, is sponsored by RPGHair. Hands down the best packaging. They gave me a wig stand, they gave me this little case with combs in it, clips in it, bobby pins in it. It just had everything in there. Nevertheless, this hair was probably, in all my wig making videos, this was a ready-made wig that they sent me. It was probably like the easiest wig to lay, because I didn't even guys, I didn't even pluck the front and it just looks so natural. I didn't pluck the lace, all I did was bleach it and put on the wig. I cut it myself. I don't know how even it is. I've never really had a bob this length. It's usually like really short or like really long hair. Does your bob move like this though? No. I look like a secretary. How may I help you? Step into my office. It's like 2:30 in the morning and I've got a train to catch at like 7 in the morning. Guys, I haven't even packed, I haven't done anything. Okay, I need to go. I've never had yucky hair, and if you can see, I don't know if you can see, but the texture is very, it's like proper hair, like black people's hair. After you've had it straightened, then I really like it because it gives it that natural look. And yeah, thank you RPGHair for working with me in this hair tutorial today. Don't forget to check them out. All of the hair information is going to be linked in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. They've always got offers on. It's super affordable for everything they give you. And yeah, like, I'm feeling this. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling myself. This looks like my scalp. Right guys, okay, before I get started, yes, I know my nails need doing. I've got an appointment this week, don't worry. And that's deodorant under my armpit, on my top. I don't know why it came out white, but it did. That's what it does. Okay, let's get started. We're going to want to put the wig on. I got this one in a small sized wig cap, and I'm going to show you guys how I like cut my frontal so that it fits my head properly. Here I'm just cutting off the excess lace that I don't need, and because my head's quite small, yeah, in the shape of like my forehead and whatnot, I'm just going to go in and cut around like the ear tab bit, like cut myself some ear tabs and cut off the excess lace that I do not need. Here's a close-up. See, you see how I'm doing that? Yeah, just like that. Okay, after you've done that, after, you know, it just looks like it's glued on without being glued on, you're gonna want to do the same on the other side, just like so.
And every time you dance go low, as you run, go at the front. And every time you dance slow, move your boss, you make my thing go yeah, as you run.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Glue, the black one. This does say edge gel on it, but I don't know, this works really good. So I'm just gonna put a thin layer on one half of my forehead, or whatever you call it, and you're just going to wait for that to dry. Once it's gone tacky, I just put a bit of the Got To Be Glued freeze spray, and I just like dab it onto my hairline and wait for that to get a little bit tacky as well. I don't know why, but these two together just helps it stick better. And then you're going to go ahead and place your wig where you want it to sit and just tap down gently on the hairline. I'm then going to go with, these are tights here, but I cut them, but I don't know why, but these just helps lay my wig so well. And I'm going to do the same on the other side now. Okay, so once that's done, I'm just going to put the tights around like the full perimeter of my hairline to make sure it's quite tight as well. This just helps it, you know, have that melting effect, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just gonna go in and like section my hair, like very messy. Like I don't really have like exact sections, but I'm just gonna go with my Got To Be Glued heat protectant spray, and this is just how I straighten my hair. I don't really waste time. Like I literally just go with the brush and the straighteners. These straighteners saved my life. They're from Tony & Guy, and they go up to, I think it's 250 degrees, which is amazing. So I'm gonna let y'all watch me straighten my hair.
Let me not say no more. Let me not say no more, 'cause you know. vibe along. Oh yeah, vibe along. Oh yeah. Money on the track, oh.
Okay, so once that's done, I'm just gonna go in with end of my comb and make my parting super neat. Take off those tights that I tied, and I'm gonna go in with some concealer. Okay, before obviously the wig didn't fully stick down, but it's okay because you know you never get things right, you know, the very first time. It's the reality of wigs. You've got to try and try again. So before I go in my concealer, I'm just going to start cutting my hair. Okay, I did not even know how professionals do it or whatever, but I literally just cut what I thought was a straight line, and I do go in again to fix it a bit, but yeah, just let y'all watch me cut my hair.
Every time you dance go low, that's you man. Go, and every time you dance slow, move your boss. You make my ting go. Yeah, that's you man. She got the fire, got the fire. She a boss, yeah, she a boss. She got the sauce, and every time you dance go low, that's you man. They make my ting go, got the fire. And every time you dance slow, move your boss. They make my ting go. See, I know the S550, but if you wanna come right with me, I gon' make you know also. I gon' make you know also. Yeah. I gon' fit to run the whole town for you. Baby, I'm mad over you. Baby, I'm crazy.
Right, now I'm going to go with the concealer. It's the Revolution concealer in the shade 12.5, and I just put that on my parting just to make it blend into my skin. Then I go in with the Cantu leave-in conditioning mousse foam, whatever it is. I put that on my parting to hold down my flyaways, and I also put it like at the okay, I don't know how to describe it, but where I'm putting it right now, it just helps the, I don't know, but it just helps the hair look better. It doesn't make it look too like a hat, I don't know. Anyway, so just gonna go ahead, brush out, and you know, fix the hair a little bit. Look how it's just melting. Yes. I'm literally in love with this wig, guys. But yeah, guys, that was how I achieved this hair look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
I wanna talk to you, yeah. See your body, looking like a goddess. I know go lie, baby, you a goddess. Me, I know get Bugatti. I wanna talk to you. I'm not too bossy. All I wanna talk to you.